I have a few things I want to let go off of my chest. So yesterday, Fox 5 News dedicated a little segment to Vybz Kartel, and they named him as King of Dancehall. Big up yourself, Fox 5, because I love it. I love it. Everything about it. Oh no, I go on good. Now, while they did state a lot of facts and a lot of good statements about Vybz Kartel, some people did have a problem, which I actually can agree with. Now, while I say Gaza for life, I do have to beg to differ when it does come to the whole King of Dancehall situation. What we have to understand is that we cannot compare the minds of somebody from the 90s to the minds of somebody of 2002 to the minds of people who were born in 2012 in the future. Everybody has a different perspective on how they feel. If you were born in the 80s, you would not think that Vybz Kartel is the King of Dancehall. Why? Because at that time they had their own king. Same as for the 90s, same as the 2000s. The thing is, people have to understand at different times in different places, there's going to be a ring of people that will be ruling it. That's it. The only difference is that the people back then will always be iconic. They always will be legendary. You know, we can say that Yellow Man is the king of dancehall. We can say Beanie Man is the king of dancehall. We can say a lot. We can have that argument about who is the queen of dancehall. We can say Sister Nancy is. We can say Lady Saw is. We can say Lady, there's so much things that we could say, but we have to understand that different generations have different perspectives. And I feel like we all need to respect that. In this generation, yes, Vybz Kartel is the king of dancehall. Does that say for the 90s when Buju, Beanie, and all these people was running it that they weren't the kings of dancehall? And let's not forget, there can be more than one king. Not one person has to rule everything. In this very moment, Vybz Kartel does take that place. And it's not sad to say, but somebody else will be taking his place later on. At the end of the day, what they've done is laid a path for somebody else. And this whole argument about who's this and who's king and who's queen. Listen, before Queen Elizabeth, there was somebody else before her, right? She was not the only queen before. So remember, just remember, there's a time and there's a place. You will have your time and you will have your place. And not to say you are getting replaced, but somebody else will take over to support those who they favor. That's all. But your legacy will always remain. Your legacy will always be there. You will always be highly favored. We definitely don't look down at Buju. We don't look down at Beanie. We don't look down on Yellow Man. We don't look down on none of these people. We don't look down on Spice, Sister Nancy. We all think they're the greatest. Like, they're the untouchables. That's it. They're untouchable. And Vybz Kartel, he is untouchable. And right now, he's the king of dancehall. But you know what? Moving forward, later on, maybe 10, 15 years from now, somebody else is going to become that person. And we just have to accept that. Change is okay, guys. Calm down.